Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to download Instagram on your MetaQuest 3. So at first, all you have to do is just take out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar is out, go in the store and open it. And as you open the store, go in the search bar and type Instagram and hit enter. Hit enter as this one. Just click on here. And as the page loads, you can see the Instagram right here and just click on here. And after that, just scroll where you can see this option Get and just click on here to download the Instagram on your MetaQuest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.